guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing. Guys, this is a fishing spot. I was just here yesterday with my cousin. He is older than me. We're just going to be fishing, so yeah.
Alright, so this is a collapsible telescopic rod.
What? Is that the one I'm going to be using?
Yeah, since you don't know how to use an actual one.
Okay.
What?
At least I was able to cast one as well.
But you also get backlash by a lot. Like my reel right there. I fixed that one. Very nice.
So, but yeah, guys, there are actually some dead fish. I don't really like that the fish are dying, but I can't really stop it. So, yeah. Yo, dude, I'll just tell you if I see any fish, all right?
Are they cooked?
Police, they'll never catch me alive. No, I'm just joking. I don't know why the police were around. I'm a minor. Also, bro, you know those Placo catfishes?
What?
You know those Placo catfish things
No.
that look like aliens? Oh.
Are they like a fish?
Yeah, they actually are. They're actually like armored everywhere.
Some are very.
Yeah, they look like aliens too, dude. Like, they look like an alien fish. My feet are hurting for something. Like, it's not even my feet. It's just like my one toe.
Not to pee.
Go pee behind the tree. It's not like I wouldn't. Wouldn't you do that, dude?
Racism.
How is that racism? Yeah, it's been a while since I was fishing, except for yesterday. But like, it's been a while since I've been fishing with like a push rod or like a button rod or whatever this is. Yeah. Believe it or not, guys, I actually almost caught a northern in Toma, which is where I'm. A northern, yeah, over where I used to live. Yeah, I almost caught one when I was like 8. Is that crazy or what? It just snapped the line, like it went on shore and slapped the line, like it just was like right there, and I was like right here. It just like kind of snapped the line while it was in the water, but it was so close to shore, like so close. Wait, what? Wait, it's a sink? Yo, this hook looks sick.
Yeah, because it's skibberty. Skibberty.
Bro's brain rot.
Shut the fuck up, Jack.
No. You know that's illegal to say, right? Don't worry, you know I know how to put on the bait. Wait, did you bring the bait?
Nope, I forgot it.
No. It's right there.
Not really.
Yeah. You know I know how to put it on.
Nah. No, no.
Yes, I do.
So first, you put it in the ball sack. Oh! Oh shit! You're not even. I just drank some of that.
I'm about to show you on camera.
No. Oh, is that my neighbor? It is. Mister.
Sir, you are skibbity.
What?
Is the bait on? Huh?
Alright, I'm gonna cast it. It's my rod, my voice.
Dang it.
I'm gonna cast it first.
Alright.
Fish? Fish on?
No way. You. Oh my god. Mother. Oh shit. Is that a
I think it's a perch.
perch? Oh, first try it's a perch. Yo. Let me see. Yo, 1 second. Oh shit.
Oh, it flopped off? Crap.
Dude, it flopped off. Yo, guys, look at that.
Put it in your crock or something and throw it back.
I mean, I'm not opposed to it. I mean, I will. Oh shit. I will kick you. Motherfucker, I will kick you. I try to help you, and that's what you do to me?
Did it stab you?
No, it tried to attack me.
Viewers, look away.
Nah. Whew, I hope you drown. Wait, what? How's he supposed to drown on land? Bro, he didn't even leave us the bait.
I know, right?
Bro, can I please? Bro, just chuck him. Bro, I wanted you to absolutely decimate it.
Alright, man, so you can put on the bait in the house.
I'm gonna try it with no bait. I'm gonna try no bait.
No, you can't.
How do?
Alright, man, don't shake it. Don't shake it. Oh, dude. So racist.
Alright. Yeah. One second. Yeah. I just really quickly gotta bait my hook.
Oh my god.
It is hooked. The bait is on. I'm gonna set you guys down. I will unpause the recording you whenever if I catch something. Alright, never mind, guys. I'm having a camera. Alright, so just to retake, this is how I hold it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you barely casted it.
Yeah! Yeah!
Fish on?
Probably.
Yes, fish.
Fish on.
Nice.
Dude, is this
Man, I don't know.
I think that's a blue.
Alright, yeah, look at him. Alright, press the button thingy. I need some line. Alright, man. Set the rod down.
Everybody, you're gonna see a fish get gutted like a fish. Do you need me to step on it? Okay, never mind. I'll just step on it. The hook is...
Jesus.
Observe as the hook is stuck in its mouth.
It's stuck in there pretty good, actually.
Oh, dang. You might need to attack it. Should we slam dunk it?
No. Stop recording.
Okay, I'll stop. Okay, guys, well, some technical difficulties after. I just dropped the bait back here.
You tell me my rod's over here.
There's no way it is.
Like, I can't reel it.
My God, the stupid king fly! Anyway, so just go catch one real. Oh, boys and girls, I just caught a beautiful fish. Yeah, but let me see. Damn. Yeah, but we should probably get this one unhooked. Yeah, but we should get this one unhooked. Yo, dude, can you help me get this one unhooked? Should we? Bro, ladies and gentlemen, he got a fish. Sheesh.
No.
Alright, we're gonna actually keep these two. I don't think that's legal, but okay.
It is.
Oh, bet, dude, let's unhook them.
Any size of Wildo, you can keep.
Yo, bro, bet, come over here then. Yo, bro, I can fit a couple ones in here.
Dude, no. Give me the pliers right now.
Alright. Yeah, bro. We could easily like murder them right now, but should I stop recording?
Nah.
Alright. Are we gonna keep these or?
No.
Oh. We're gonna set them free?
Yeah.
Alright, but next one, can we please keep this one?
No.
Oh. If I catch one and unhook it myself, can I keep it? Huh?
No.
Why not?
That's sensitive.
Hmm.
Is it already unhooked? Yeah.
Okay, yeah, bro, can I please throw it in this time?
No.
Kill it.
No.
Okay. Can you please chuck it in?
I'm just gonna set it. Let's see what it does. Look at him. He's so funny.
Yeah, he's actually dumb.
Go.
Go, you dumbass.
See, I can touch him again. Pop.
Bro.
I
No.
was about to say, catch him 3 times.
That would be fucking hilarious.
That would be so
Alright, sadly he did take the bait away from me, so we're gonna have to catch him again and we're gonna have to flay him. Okay. Alright, so you guys, we cannot make this up. We just caught 2 more. Yeah, but are we gonna flay these ones up? Huh? Dude, look at how small that one is. Get his balls over.
Sure.
Alright. That fishy. Did you just kill him?
No. You can't feel pain anymore.
Why?
I hurt his brain.
Dude, can I please?
No.
Please, dude. Dude, you just killed him. Dude. You killed him. He's still alive. Yo, bro, he just accidentally murdered a fish. Wait, what? You did that on purpose? I guess BRB. Yo, bro, cousin, you cracked this. Yo, bro, mind hitting its brain real quick? Yo, bro, I can't believe you killed a fish.
I didn't kill no fish.
Let's see the body.
What body? Like, I don't know what you're talking about.
Bro, I was recording whenever you killed it.
No.
Yeah.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Alright, so you guys will see. Oh, guys, my big, dude, that's a bass. That's a bass. Yo, that's a bass.
Bass are friends, not food.
Shark
oh my
bait.
God. The way I hooked him. Dude, I feel so bad for him.
Yeah, me too, dude. He's just a little baby. He's a smallmouth bass. Dude, don't hit him in the brain. Don't hit him in the brain. This is probably one of the only bass that are in this pond.
Dude, what do you mean? There's like thousands. Oh my God, look at my line from like a very long time ago, kind of.
Yo, bro.
Alright, man, I hooked you like really bad. So it's gonna be really hard to get you out.
Dude, just don't put it out of its misery, please. Alright, guys, I'll see. Yo, mofo just caught a big boy. Sorry if that's good. Bro, that mofo dead. But that
Oh,
mofo.
give me my pliers.
Huh. Look away, young viewers. Nah, I know.
He may not be a very good friend, but he's still a friend.
Yeah, bro, if I catch a fish and unhook it, can I please keep it? Please, I'll put it in an aquarium. I'll keep it as a pet. Yes, I will. Yeah, but truth or dare?
Truth.
Are you gay?
No.
Okay.
Free a fish. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, go.
Yo, bro, we're using a fish as bait. Yo, bro, can I show them the rest of the fish? That's part of it. Yeah, but there's all of it. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna go. Yeah, bro, can I just use the head right now?
You ain't gonna catch anything with the whole entire head.
Okay, I'm gonna use an eyeball. I've been trying that. That's another part. That's a part of the fish head. I already tried out the eyeball. I will. Yeah. If I catch another fish, I swear I'm going to gut that thing and receive. Yo, boys and girls, we've been fishing. Yo, guys, I'm still alive. 1 second. And so, as you guys can see, this one is dead. We accidentally plopped its eye out because it was just a bit too crazy. This one. This one, gills are still moving, obviously. Like, yo, wait, fish. Yo, bat. Yo, hold on, wait 1 second. BR. Okay. Guys, I think this is a female, but yeah. All right, boys and girls, so far we have 4 fish, actually. We believe 2 males and 2 females. Somehow they are still breathing after like 5 minutes. For one of the males who still has his eyeball, definitely. I will see you guys soon because I gotta go, do the duties I have, which is getting the bait on, unhooking the fish, shizzle like that. I'm so sorry, guys. We just got back from fishing. Those are all that my cousin is keeping. I'm keeping one.
Did you get a bad one again?
Huh?
They're not bad. They're all good. He's just on the phone or something.
Yeah, I'm just recording the end of my video.
Can we see it?
Y'all have to put it all together and CapCut.
We take that out.
Bye, guys.